This is a quick and easy tutorial for a headband modified to attach surgical masks. The best fabric to use is a thick, stretchy fabric like lycra or spandex. Don't use knit or t-shirt material as those may stretch too much and will be too loose. We cut our fabric 21 inches long by 7 inches wide. You can adjust the width as needed. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise with the wrong side out. The fabric will be a little slippery, so you may want to pin the edges. If you are using a regular sewing machine, you need to use the zigzag stitch so that the headband can stretch. Stitch along the long edge of the headband. This step is much faster with the serger if you happen to have one. Turn the headband halfway onto itself with the wrong side facing out. For this part, you'll use a straight stitch. Stitch around the open ends of the headband, leaving an opening about an inch or so. This is a little difficult due to limited space. Turn the headband right side out through the opening. Stitch the opening shut, backstitching on both ends. Mark your headband 4 to 4.5 inches from the back seam. Put the button attachment on your sewing machine and securely stitch the button on both sides. Please check out the Bergen Mask Task Force Facebook page for the button tutorial if needed.